Here's another tip from Rolling Strong, with insights to help you stay healthy on the road.
Hello, this is Christy Coughlin, Wellness Coach with Rolling Strong. Here to offer you another meditation. We talked about the benefits of meditation. Please refer to the written piece that explains all the benefits. But if you've done some meditation, I'm sure that you've noticed it can immediately help reduce your anxiety and your stress and just bring a calmness to your body and your mind. It's a great thing to do before you test your blood pressure. It can lower your blood pressure reading almost immediately. So this time we're going to focus on doing a breathing meditation. I'm going to have you first relax and get into the meditation, and then we're going to do a bit of a breathing pattern. And this will only take a couple minutes, but you can feel free to do this on your own also, if you want to do it for a little bit longer period of time, or just on your own without my voice. So let's first get into a nice comfortable position. You might be sitting in a chair or sitting on the floor with your back supported against your bed or a wall. Just make sure that you are comfortable. Make sure your temperature is warm, you're not too hot, too cold. Relax your hands in your lap and then close your eyes. Let's just take 3 deep breaths together. You're going to inhale through your nose and exhale. Try to breathe into your belly. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. All right, let your breath return to normal. So we're going to try a breathing pattern where you breathe in for a count of 4, hold the breath in for a count of 2, and then exhale for a count of 6. Now, when we lengthen the exhales, studies show that that's where you get the real benefit of relaxing, when your exhale is longer than your inhale. So we'll try a few rounds of this together, and then you can try it on your own. So let's try it. We're going to inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now try 2 rounds on your own. And then let your breath return to normal. So you may have noticed your mind wandered, or maybe you were able to focus on the breathing. If your mind wanders, just bring it back. But doing this breathing exercise really helps to focus your mind so you can focus on the task at hand and let everything else go for a few minutes. So that's an example of a breathing meditation. Feel free to try this first thing in the morning, in the middle of the day when you need a break, or before you go to bed. just to bring a sense of calm over your entire body and your mind. Try it often and go back to the other meditation that I recorded, the body scan. That's another great one to focus your mind. This is Christy Coughlin, Wellness Coach with Rolling Strong.
We're glad to offer these podcasts, and we hope you find them useful. At Rolling Strong, we're here to help.